everyone and a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session we have covered arithmetic operations on images. In our today's session we will be talking about part 2 of arithmetic operations, where we will be using bitwise operations over here. So let's have a look on how we can apply bitwise operations on images. To apply bitwise operations, first of all I'll take example of two images. So I have two images over here. The first one is circle image and the second one over here is a black and white image. So on these two images I'll be applying the bitwise operation. Let's have a look on how we can apply these operations. So in our bitwise operators we have four kind of operations. We have AND operation, OR operation, XOR operation and NOT operation. So we'll be applying all four of them over here. So first of all, let's import our CV2 module. Once we have imported, let's read the images. For reading the images, we will be writing image 1 is equals to CV2 dot IMRead, and IMRead means image read, and for that we need to get a path. So let's get back to our folder. Let's get the path from here, and I'll be passing the same path over here. Also, I'll change all the backward slashes to the forward slashes. Once we are done, the first image over here is the black and white. So I'll be writing black and white dot png, that's the name of the image. And then we have image 2, that is CV2 dot IMRead again. So image read function, and I'll be passing the same path over here, but also I'll change the name of the file. So the name of the file, name of the second picture over here is circle.png. Once we are done with this, the next thing that we need to do over here is apply the AND operation. For applying the AND operation, I'll be writing AND underscore OP, that tells us that this is the AND operation. And here I'll be writing CV2 dot bitwise, because we are applying the bitwise operation. And which bitwise operation? AND operation, where on image 1 and image 2. Okay, and then after this we need to display it as well. To display it, we will be writing CV2 dot IMShow. We'll give the name to this image. So we can give bitwise operations, and here I'll be passing my AND OP. So here it's bitwise operations and AND OP. And lastly, what we need to do over here is give a key over here. We give a condition, basically giving the wait key over here. So I'll be writing if CV2 dot wait key, so wait capital K key is 0 and 0xff is equals to ORD, and this time I'll be giving a different letter over here. Let's give a colon. In that condition, we will be destroying all the windows that are there. So it's CV2 dot destroy capital A all and capital W windows, and windows, open close the parentheses. Let's run and see what output we'll get over here. So as soon as I'll run it, the output looks like this, that we have an image which looks like this. So AND operation over here tells us, so I'll be explaining you one of it. That AND operation over here tells us that wherever there is a common area, that means wherever there is true, it will display it. So display means that here common area is this half semicircle. This is the common grounds over here. That's why it's displaying the common area to us over here. So this is how AND operation works. Now if I talk about the OR operation, so OR operation over here tells us that wherever one of the conditions is true, it will display that area. So again, I'll just show you both the images, and here we have this one. So here, which condition is true? Here black is there, and here also there is black. That's why it's showing it true to us over here. And here white is there. So white is completely over here. So OR operation over here is showing us this image here. Okay, now let's move ahead and talk about the XOR operation. So XOR operation, for XOR operation I'll be writing XOR, and let's run and see. So as soon as I'll run it, it will give me an image which looks like something like this. So here we have the XOR operation, and lastly we have NOT operation. For NOT, we will be applying the NOT operation on both the images. So I'll just show it to you that how it can be done. For XOR, I'll be writing, instead of XOR, I'll be writing NOT over here, and instead of AND operation, it's what? It is a NOT operation, right? So I'll be writing NOT OP, and NOT underscore OP1 is equals to CV2 dot bitwise underscore NOT operation on image 2, and here also we'll be passing NOT OP. And again I'll just do the same and paste it over here, but in this one I'll be writing NOT OP1. Let's keep this one in comments for this time, and as soon as I'll run it, let me just close this image here. So this is how it looks like. So the original image was like this, that on the left hand side there was a white color, and on the right hand side there was a black color box. While after applying the bitwise operation over here, we have on the left hand side black color, on the right hand side we have the white color. So this is how it looks like. This is the difference between both of them. And if I talk about applying the not operation on this one, I'm putting this one in comments. So I'll just put this in comments, and as soon as I'll run it, let me just close this one as well. So as soon as I run it, it gives me an output which looks like this. So my original image had a black background, and inside the black background there was a white circle. And after applying the not operation to it, we have obtained a white background and a black circle over here. So this is how basically it works. So now you have seen all the 4 operations, all the 4 bitwise operations, that how we can apply them, how we can use them on our images. And also I hope you guys have no doubts and no questions. And in our next session we will be talking about some more functions related to our images which we can apply on our images. So stay connected guys, and I'll see you in the next session.